Hello everyone, happy Monday, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Sometimes it is enough to change the fabric of your own clothes to make it sparkle with new colors. Today's video will be bright, fast, but very inspiring. I will show you an elegant Chanel style tweed jumpsuit by Rufo Colli. It is made exactly as in the previously published masterclasses on sewing white and black linen jumpsuits with one-piece sleeves. This means that you can easily make yourself the same stylish new copy by revisiting the full modeling and building from past releases. In jumpsuit like this, you will be the most fashionable person at any event, trust me. Look at this gorgeous fabric. It is Chanel inspiring cotton by Rufo Colli. Very pleasant to touch. I want to touch it over and over again. My white boots fit perfectly here. Belt, gorgeous buttons, Italian buttons. I wanted a belt with the big and beautiful stones, just like Chanel, but I didn't find anything beautiful. So if you will make yourself such a belt, then you will look like you are dressed in Chanel. We also have similar fabrics here. We all want to be different every day, and jumpsuits are the kind of clothes that can definitely make us different. Everyone asks me if it is comfortable in it and if it's convenient to go to the toilet. Of course not, but it's beautiful. Love and beauty is above all, and I love jumpsuits. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!